Welcome to the wild and wonderful world of space exploration, where brave astronauts have ventured beyond Earth to explore the final frontier. But did you know that long before humans took the giant leap, our feline friends had their paws in space history? Yep, cats in space. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating history and future of cats in space exploration. Ready to blast off? Let's go! Space exploration didn't start with humans. It started with animals. Dogs, monkeys, mice, and even fruit flies were among the first creatures launched beyond Earth's atmosphere. Their missions helped scientists understand the effects of space travel on living beings. But what about cats? Unlike dogs or monkeys, cats haven't been widely used in official space missions, mainly because of their unique behaviors and handling challenges. Cats are curious, agile, and independent, qualities that make them beloved pets, but tricky space travelers. Still, cats have a quirky presence in space history. In the 1960s, during the early days of spaceflight experiments, there were unofficial efforts and studies involving cats, mostly on Earth, to understand balance, motion, and stress under altered gravity conditions. So why haven't more cats been sent into space? Well, there are several reasons. First, cats are incredibly sensitive to new environments. Unlike dogs, who can be trained to stay calm and follow commands, cats can get easily stressed or anxious. Space agencies also found that cats' natural agility could make them hard to control in the confined spaces of spacecraft. Imagine a zero-gravity cat suddenly jumping or climbing inside a capsule. That could disrupt delicate instruments or the crew's work. Another challenge is the health monitoring equipment. Early space missions required animals to be hooked up to sensors and restrained, something cats typically resist. Their independence makes such restraint stressful and less reliable for data collection. Even if cats haven't been primary astronauts, their cultural presence in space exploration is huge. From NASA's official logos and mascots to pop culture references, cats have a firm place in our imaginations of space. One iconic example is Félicette, the first and only cat to be sent to space. Yes, you heard that right. In 1963, France launched Félicette aboard a suborbital rocket as part of a scientific experiment to study neurological activity in space. Félicette's mission lasted just a few minutes, but it was a groundbreaking moment for feline space history. Though she returned safely, Félicette's story remained largely unknown for decades, until recently when space enthusiasts raised funds to give her a proper memorial. Animals like Félicette and other creatures have taught scientists a lot. They helped answer questions about how microgravity affects balance, cardiovascular systems, muscle strength, and even brain function. Understanding these effects on animals paved the way for safe human spaceflight. While cats weren't primary test subjects, the principles of animal physiology in space help us predict how all mammals, including humans and pets, might fare during long-duration missions. So, what does the future hold for cats in space? With private space companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and others expanding possibilities for space tourism and colonization, the idea of bringing pets, including cats, into orbit is becoming more realistic. Imagine a future space station or lunar colony with feline companions helping astronauts deal with stress and loneliness. After all, we already know the therapeutic benefits of pets on Earth. But to make that happen, space agencies and private companies will need to solve big challenges. How to keep cats safe, comfortable, and healthy in microgravity. How to handle their behavior in confined spaces. And how to ensure they don't interfere with sensitive equipment. Researchers are already exploring how animals adapt to microgravity. For cats, this could mean special habitats designed to simulate familiar environments and allow natural behaviors like climbing, scratching, and playing, all while keeping them safe. Advanced tech like wearable health monitors could track a cat's vital signs, stress levels, and movement in real time. Plus, robotics and AI could help care for pets during missions, feeding and cleaning up after them. While it sounds like science fiction now, these developments could bring us closer to a future where cats are regular space travelers and companions. So, whether it's history or the exciting possibilities ahead, cats have a special, if subtle, place in the story of space exploration. From the pioneering Félicette to dreams of cosmic cat companions, the journey is just beginning. If you enjoyed this deep dive into cats in space, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more out-of-this-world content. And tell us in the comments, would you bring your cat on a space adventure? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, the universe is big, but it's always better with a cat by your side. See you next time!